In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Schema to Shopify 2.0 collection pages. Adding Schema can enhance your store's visibility on search engines by providing detailed information about your collection pages. So let's dive right into it. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate your way to the theme code. It's quite simple. Just go to the online store, then click on Themes. From there, choose Actions, and finally, Edit Code. Now, this may seem a bit daunting if it's your first time, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together step by step. Next, you need to locate the right template file. You'll likely find this under Templates or possibly within Sections, specifically looking for something like collection.liquid or main-collection.liquid. These files hold the layout settings for your collection pages. It's essential to choose the correct file so your schema is applied accurately. Once you've identified the file, it's time to add the actual schema code. In this case, we'll be using the JSON LD format, which is not only powerful but also widely supported by various platforms, including Google. Place the code after your collection grid code but before any existing site schema. YouTube tutorials often recommend this placement to ensure everything runs smoothly. When writing your schema, consider using collection page as your /type. You'll want to include specific details like the name, description, image, URL, and possibly a list of products within this collection. Here's an example to help guide you. Your code might look something like this. At context, http://schema.org/type, collection page, name, example collection, description. This is an example collection description. Image, http:// example.com image.jpg. URL, http:// example.com collections example collection. Has part. Type. Product, name. Product 1, URL. http:// example.com on products, product 1. At type. Product, name. Product 2, URL. http:// example.com as products was product 2. After adding the schema, it's crucial to validate it. To do this, use Google's Rich Results testing tool. It helps ensure that your schema is implemented correctly and is functioning as expected. Once you've validated it, it's time to test and refine. Preview your collection page to see if everything looks right and confirm nothing critical has been disrupted. Run the testing tool again to double-check that the schema is being recognized and displayed correctly the way you want it. A quick note, if you're not entirely comfortable with code editing, you might want to look into using a Shopify app like Smart SEO or TinyIMG, which can automatically handle schema implementation for you. And there you have it. With just a few carefully executed steps, your collection pages are now enhanced with structured data, ready to perform better on search engines, driving more traffic to your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.